Uh, I found 4 of these pretty long, dry trees. Even if it rained last night, it's quite okay. Have a good fire going. Also, I prepared more wood for the fire. So I initially thought I would do another omelet or scrambled eggs, but I decided I want to test out this new set. So I'm gonna do 2 scrambled eggs in this, and I'm gonna boil 2 eggs in this one. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, should be fun. Lassel wants to play with a really, really big stick. Lassel, hey, no. Then this is what a kid would do. Yeah, argue with me, you're not gonna get it. Yeah. Anyway, fun times. Just check that steam out. It rained all last night. Like this wood, even if it was a sort of dry standing, still has quite a bit of water in it. It's fine. Look at him carrying his log. It's okay. Let's just have a look. Oops. It's getting there. It's getting there. Pretty fire. Would you look at that? It's boiling. I'm just gonna leave it for 1 minute or 2 and I'll take it out. Added more wood to the fire. It's looking nice. I have 2 pieces of meat that I want to cook, but it's only 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna wait maybe 1 more hour and cook them after that. And he found the stone. It's in his mouth. Lasso? Yeah. Oh, kids. Okay. So tonight we don't eat like savages anymore. We have our grill with us. Scrambled eggs and bacon. I don't like that kind, but I guess it suits its purpose. The problem is it's too small. It's difficult to do stuff with it. It was hard to cook 2 eggs and a couple of bacon strips in it. But it packs nice, so I guess I'll keep it. But we have our nice improvised grill here. Yeah. No more charcoal taste. See you on the other side. I decided to overstay my welcome. Well, overstay as in just stay up late. Fire's going. Probably leave in an hour or so. Dinner was great. Lord is having fun. Look at that fire go. It's sort of quiet. If it weren't for the planes, but whatever. They don't bother me. Are the woods spooky at night? Yeah, I guess. But I got my buddy. Halamil! Halamil! Look at him. Look at him. Bravo! Yeah, he's my buddy. My guardian fucking angel. Love him to bits.